Dance with me, dance with me. You took my hand, I held you close. You were so intoxicating, had an overdose. Dance with me, dance with me. Dance with me, dance with me.
Cheers!
Don't just take our word for it. Come in and experience Martinborough's gastropub for yourselves. We're proud of our food, and our chef Ten has created a menu for you that won't disappoint. Open 7 days a week, E10, right on the square in the centre of Martinborough. The Wairarapa Times Age is on sale today. For all your local daily news, pick up your copy of Wairarapa Times Age. Packed with local news and sport, national and international news, crosswords and puzzles. Your copy is available today from supermarkets, dairies and service stations throughout the Wairarapa. Keep up with what's happening in the Wairarapa. Buy your copy today. Gusto Cafe is a Featherston institution. Fresh baked bread, delicious cakes and pastries. Open every day from 5:30am, Gusto, a fully licensed cafe, is the perfect pit stop before tackling the hill and can be found in Featherston's Gateway Complex, right in the heart of Featherston. You can't go past Masterton's Apache Jacks for a hearty family meal with a hint of Tex-Mex. Book Apache Jacks for your next anniversary or a birthday celebration for any age. Open for lunch and dinner every day. Apache Jacks is located in Kirripuni Village, next door to Kirripuni Sports Bar and TAB. Download the Wairarapa TV phone apps today. Just search for Wairarapa TV in the app stores or visit our website at www. Helmed by executive chef Paul Hargood, the grill at Solway Park serves up gastronomic delights made with the freshest local ingredients. Start your mornings with a continental or fully cooked breakfast spread. Enjoy a leisurely high tea, served by the roaring fire or on the deck. End your day with a meal paired with some of the finest wine in New Zealand. Situated on 24 acres of park-like grounds, Copthorne Solway Park is the Wairarapa's largest accommodation provider. The ideal location for conferences, leisure breaks, corporate events and weddings. The hotel has 102 rooms and 8 versatile function spaces. Enjoy the variety of resort facilities, including indoor and outdoor swimming pools, tennis, squash, volleyball courts and an on-site 10-bay golf driving range with 2 on-site restaurants, including the award-winning Solway Grill. Make your next stay in the Wairarapa at Copthorne Solway Park.
The inefficiencies we had with our manual paperwork system was costing my business dearly. We needed to sharpen up and become more efficient. Our option was to go with Spark. We could then set up phones in the truck to look at the end result. It just works well for us.
Raspberry musical jam goodness to get.
There's nothing like a few nerves as well to kind of
I know.
keep the tempos up.
Don't stop up, just smile and look at the camera. So explain the kaupapa behind your musical project.
Right, well, I guess it started with me, really. My songs, which I've been writing for, since as long as I can remember, really. And some of them have stuck around, like the last one we played today, I wrote when I was 19. And I've always played them on my own, occasionally with Jan, who does join me on stage from time to time, and I've jammed with Denver in different projects. But I've always kind of thought it would be nice to have some other minds, the right minds. You know, these guys have been brewing around for a while, but I think it worked pretty well, so we'll probably do it again, eh?
Excellent. And so how would you describe your music? What kind of sound are you putting out there?
It's always tricky to ask a musician to describe their music.
know.
Make the music, man, you describe it.
It's music I'd listen to again.
That's good.
It's a conglomerate of awesomeness.
Yeah, we'll go with that. Can I use that?
Smooth awesomeness. There you go. Okay. So, what process do you like to take when creating those musical juices?
I need silence, and I need nobody around, and a guitar, and preferably a few hours to kind of do it. And then composition is really just kind of fooling around until something fits together. That doesn't sound like Beethoven, actually. Someone more modern, but that's essentially what I do. And then usually when there's a little twig that sticks, then sometimes it's a melody, sometimes it's chords, sometimes it's a word, and usually the meaning kind of forms itself out of that. So whatever the song is, whatever they mean to me might not be the same as what they mean to you guys. But yeah, so I have a song. At the end of the day, I've got a song I can play, and then I record it and I give it to these guys and say, this is what it sounds like.
Great. Well, that's cool. Anybody want to add anything else?
You go. I'll go after you.
Well, I mean, I can't really talk about Sali's songwriting process, but they're good songs. They're good songs.
So when you get one of Sali's songs,
yeah,
how do you add your musical juices to that song?
well, I guess it's about like But I mean, you just sort of feel it. It's not like he's just saying do this. You just feel it and go along with the vibe, and and just play along and just
Awesome.
Yeah.
So you've agreed on another practice, and not necessarily practice, but performance. Sorry, Sean. And how are you guys wanting to release your music to the world? It's a big question.
That's a large question that we might need to discuss over a cup of tea. I don't want to speak on Sally's behalf, so I'm going to pass the microphone back.
I think that question is slightly behind the fact, because I think we just did release it, didn't we?
Yeah. To the world! Download the app, Wairarapa TV. Okay, so...
Yeah. And we've always collaborated and done our original music together. I sing a bit of jazz and I write all my own music, and I got a band called the Chatelaines, and tomorrow heading to Wanganui to sing for the Wanganui Jazz Club.
Awesome. That's a nice plug.
I mean, I've played in a few bands over the years, and at the moment, I mean, jamming with this guy right here. We live in the same town, so whenever... When did we start jamming, Denver? We started jamming probably when we were like 15 at the White Cliffs Family Festival.
So just a few years ago?
Only a couple of years ago. Jamming on some old blues, some old Cream and stuff like that. So and then over the years, our band, I lived in Christchurch and Sally lived in Nelson, and our bands would always hook up and go and play in some crazy halls out in, Motueka or somewhere like that. And it was good fun. And so we've always circled back round, and then, years later, a lot of noise, and
awesome.
It has to be done.
Cool. And Mr. Marks?
That's what they call me in my day job.
You're a music teacher during the day.
I am, yeah.
Yeah.
I demand that, though.
So what other collaborations are you part of?
Well, I play in a band called Battle Scar Galactica in Wellington based, which is a ska band, as you might have guessed by the name. Oh, didn't you guys know? It is kind of British. It's a lot of fun. That's my main other thing. And I like jamming with my two boys as well, Collier and Oscar, who are young guns.
YouTube stars. They're awesome. Do you have any fond musical memories that you'd like to share?
So remember that night we were in, I think it was Westport or Greymouth, and it was after the gig, and the whole band plus heaps of people from the audience got on the world's longest skateboard and went down the main street. Do you remember that?
Now that you mention it.
How long was the skateboard?
That wasn't really a musical memory, but okay, yeah.
The wheels on the skateboard go round and round. Okay.
That was a good gig.
So perhaps other than the memories, any memorable musical performances? Who are the coolest people that, other than each other, being biased, who are some of the coolest people that you've shared the stage with?
Oh, so many people. Tyson Smith, yes. There's a few local heroes. Warren Maxwell springs to mind. There's Riss Moriori and the Masterons. Denver's brother and sister, I believe, Redford and Ameria, and Oakley, his other brother, a musical family here.
Yeah.
Too many to name, really. Just lots and lots of great New Zealand musicians.
Yeah. And everybody on stage that you meet, you have a tendency of there's something memorable at everybody that goes on.
Yeah, that's right.
Stage.
Yeah, and cool. As you mentioned, I'm a music teacher, and sometimes I have really cool musical experiences with my students.
Yeah.
They're my students, but I learn stuff from them too, and that sometimes they'll approach stuff in a different way, a way that I didn't think of, and you go, "Hey, man, you can barely play the." That's really cool.
Do you ever spend a day teaching and you go home and you go, okay, I've given the kids this stuff to do for homework.
For my students, you've got to go and practice. And I get home and...
So, Jan, you're a music teacher as well?
Yes.
And do you teach locally?
I do. I teach at a couple of local schools here in the Wairarapa, as well in Wellington and the Hut. Yep.
Awesome. And what do you teach?
I teach voice and a bit of keyboard and classroom music as well. Yeah.
Choice. Endeavour?
I work at Radio New Zealand at the moment. Yeah.
It's a great place to be.
Yeah, it's good.
It's a cool studio there.
Yeah, I love it.
Awesome. And how do you balance your music with other obligations?
Well, we just talked about the obligations.
We are here streaming live at the Copthorne Resort Solway Park here in Marston. It's a beautiful place, great location. Come visit us if you are viewing from your iPhone or Android. And we will be back very soon here on Wairarapa TV.
Cheers, Holly.
About the time you left me, never forget it, nothing else compares. Saturday morning, waiting for you. Never forget the way I feel. A good consequence and lonely be. I won't say anything to you. I won't say anything to you. Another time, but I'm still here, shining a brighter light, so complicating. A new day is dawning, I'm staying for you. Just never forget that I'm still here. I'm sick of consequence and loneliness to let me be. I won't say anything to you. I won't say anything to you. I won't
Palmy, are you ready? Palmerston North City Council, Destination 102 Central Energy.
Be better than you are. Have a good job, more money, drive a nicer car, make something of yourself, join the right club, be a successful player in the game of life. Who is this questioning your way to be along? We all get enough. Then something comes at you. The order is upset. Where is the protection? Where's the safety net? Who is this questioning your way to be? Will it put you in a penitentiary?
Or she's singing down, love if you can, come love me where I fell. And it was on her lips as she ran to ring the Lazarus bell, ring the Lazarus bell. From his tongue, will they grow like teeth in a shark? Though he left her forever young, will be time for a song after dark. Or she's singing now, come love if you can, come love me where I fell. And it was on her lips as she ran to ring the Lazarus bell, ring the Lazarus bell. Oh, Lazarus bell. Hello. Right, sorry, a bit more up tempo. This is a song called No Fast Zombies.
such thing as fat cats. A feline should be sleek. There should be no avenging angel. An angel should be meek. And there should be no lost soul when we all have a place to go. There should be no fast zombies. The undead should be slow. There should be no such thing as caffeine-free coffee, no zero-alcohol beer, no sugar-free, non-sticky toffee, no pointless dead-end career. Don't want pasteurized, low-fat, homogenized, cream-free, watery milk. I don't want clothes made of recycled plastic you pass on to me as faux silk. There should be no such thing as fat cats. A feline should be sleek. There should be no avenging angel. An angel should be meek. And there should be no lost soul when we all have a place to go. There should be no fat zombies. The undead should be slow. With the promise of a brand new forest, show me the trees in your hand. Don't make me feel meaner with your greener and cleaner when you're still fracking oil from the land. And just give me a river that won't damage my liver and a sea that won't blister me out. And don't ask for my vote, you dishonest scrote, when she wanted reeds, roses and flowers. I want so hard to set her free, but it's just desert, wilderness and weeds. From horizon to horizon, there's nothing left to see. It's just desert, wilderness and weeds.
It's getting warm. Keep the hat on. This is a song called Just Another Candle.
Well, I wonder how you are tonight, and I wonder how you feel. Just still as bright, your hand's still on the wheel. And I see you've got your head held high, and I see your dress down. The painted face protects the lie. There's nothing left to charm. Remembering that feeling, I can never lose this pain. Just another golden moth falling before the flame. Well, they'll all flutter around you. Those Armani wings will light the fire. Feel the heat and crash on through, flying ever higher. And in all these laughing crowds, amongst the music and the wine, only you see those darkening clouds and fear the passing time. Remembering that feeling, I can never lose this pain. golden bar that's fallen before the flame. You're always in the fast lane. You can never take things slow. Always one step ahead of the game, and always first to know. Dancing in the moonbeams, well, you always shine so bright. Nothing ever as it seems, we're all dazzled by the light. Remembering this feeling, I can never lose that pain. Just another candle lost in the heat of its own flame.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. We really enjoyed this opportunity. Thank you so much for all the organisers and what have you.
The Wairarapa Times Age is on sale today. For all your local daily news, pick up your copy of Wairarapa Times Age. Packed with local news and sport, international news, crosswords and puzzles. Your copy is available today from supermarkets, dairies and service stations throughout the Wairarapa. Keep up with what's happening in the Wairarapa. Buy your copy today.
Hello, I'm meteorologist Lisa Murray and I'm here with your weekend weather. We have a ridge of high pressure moving onto the country. It's going to bring plenty of sunshine, but it will bring some cool overnight temperatures. So we can see we're down into the single digits here. Some places Palmerston North just 1 degree overnight, and same for Martinborough as well. Some other areas slightly higher up into the hills, and even Rumataka Hill Road could see some negative numbers, so do take care out there for some ice on the roads. But generally it will be dry, so hopefully not too bad right around the region. Some Some morning cloud quite possible around, especially along the coast, but does fine up pretty early. You will see some cloudy periods linger a little longer in the Wairarapa, but the likes of Dannyverk should be fine. Now, if we look to the outlook, Sunday is looking good as well, so a great weekend for walking around the Wellington waterfront. Into Monday and Tuesday, there is a few cloudy periods around, generally a bit of high cloud, so not too bad, and the temperatures, you know, for autumn really doing quite well there as well. Wednesday does see a few showers developing, and that cloud will increase. For the latest information, go to metservice.com or the new MetService app.
Situated on 24 acres of park-like grounds, Copthorne Solway Park is the Wairarapa's largest accommodation provider. The ideal location for conferences, leisure breaks, corporate events and weddings. The hotel has 102 rooms and 8 versatile function spaces. Enjoy the variety of resort facilities, including indoor and outdoor swimming pools, tennis, squash, volleyball courts and an on-site 10-bay golf driving range with 2 on-site restaurants, including the award-winning Solway Grill. Make your next stay in the Wairarapa at Copthorne Solway Park.
Barriers Bar and Eatery is passionate about good food, great service and making sure you are well looked after. The seasonal menu includes gastro pub fare, complemented by local and international wines. A popular spot for a Friday night drink, midweek takeaway wood-fired pizza, or
your story. We need to listen to your dream. We need to listen to your story. We need to listen to your dream. We need to listen.
Thank you very much. This next song is a very special song. It's a song I wrote about my father. It's called Quietly Going Blues. And Dave's taken over acoustic guitar duties so I can concentrate. Here it comes.
he'd come to the end of his life, still having many plans in mind. Always a kind word, would share a laugh, but now preparing for realms beyond time. He's got the quietly going blue, the quietly going blue. The stroke was a terrible shock. He fought it with all his might. No longer able to be the rock. He could not speak, only had hearing and sight. He's got the quietly going blue, the quietly going blue.
Taking pub food to a new level. Don't just take our word for it. Come in and experience Martinborough's Gastro Pub for yourselves. We're proud of our food, and our chef Ten has created a menu for you that won't disappoint. Open 7 days a week, E10, right on the square in the centre of Martinborough. Gusto Cafe is a Featherston institution, brewing fresh ozone espresso coffee, herbal teas and old-fashioned milkshakes alongside our famous fresh baked bread, delicious cakes and pastries. Open every day from 5:30am, Gusto, a fully licensed cafe, is the perfect pit stop before tackling the hill and can be found in Featherston's Gateway Complex right in the heart of Featherston. The Wairarapa Times Age is on sale today. For all your local daily news.
This second song is called We'll Do It All, and it was written about 8 years ago or something.
Our minds can come along for the ride, right out to the edge of what can even be defined. We'll hold on to what can be grasped and do what can't be at all. And fleeting time, our finite form to climb. Sky above the world doesn't even know who we are. Run away with me and I will meet you there. We'll do it all. We'll do it all. And fleeing time, our finite form to climb. So here we are tonight. The sky above the world doesn't even know who we are. We're rising in the light and bursting into flight, and time will shape our hearts to beat as one. So here we are tonight, shining in the sky.
thank you. I'm incredibly nervous. I go within or go without you now, and time on time is standing still. I want to find my way out, but I can't escape, 'cause it's all you, and now it's all I can do. This fate is true. I'm made of you, but I got. You're reaching in, I'm reaching out for truth. The hands of time are here in mine to pave the way of fortune. And I can't escape, but it's all you, and now it's all I can do. This fate is true. I'm made of you, but I just gotta know. You breathe me in, I breathe you out and sigh. Here I will stay, it's not too late. Yes, I've been waiting for you, and I can't escape, but don't want to. Just get so jaded for you. This fate is true. I'm made of you, but I just gotta know. It's broken and time only makes it stronger, so I hold on longer to this boy, this boy, to this boy, this boy, to this boy, this boy, this boy, this boy, to this boy, this boy. What am I gonna do about this boy when he is so far away? What am I gonna do about this boy if there's no just walk away? What am I gonna do about you, boy? You came along and I don't know why.
Come in, and make yourself one. Now hold still while I stick you with the thorn. Twisted deep, stuck in my side. Well, I guess it hurts, but it didn't touch my pride. Well, please just don't take from me when all is given. Can't you see? Just take a deep breath and realize that you let strangers a deep breath, realize that you're alive. Run your just won't take me. All is given. Can't strangers run your eye? Well, come in, come in. I know you've been here before, but I won't be stuck with your thought no more. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I packed my bags and I'm on my way, and I don't want to see you anymore, baby. And you know that things can never change, but what do you care? They all stay the same. Well, I packed my stuff and I'm in my car, but you wouldn't have it any other way. And I said, well, that's for breakfast, baby. Love for love, I know. That's for breakfast, baby. Love for love, oh, let's go. That's for breakfast, baby. Love for love, I know. That's for breakfast, baby. Love for love, baby. And I'm alive, and I look down from the sky, babe, and I see our house, and I feel good, 'cause it didn't feel as bad as I thought I would, yeah. Meet up, and I see your face, and it looks at me with such disgrace. But then you look me in the eye and you say, yeah, babe, you wouldn't have it any other way. And I said, well, death for breakfast, baby. Love for love, I know. Death for breakfast, baby. Love for love, let go. Death for breakfast, baby. Love for love, I know. Death for breakfast, baby. Love for love. Well, alright! Makes me very proud to be from the Wairarapa. Thank you to Toby and everyone at Wairarapa Television for this excellent opportunity. Cheers!
Bar and Eatery is passionate about good food, great service, and making sure you are well looked after. The seasonal menu includes gastro pub fare, complemented by local and international wines. A popular spot for a Friday night drink, midweek takeaway wood-fired pizza, or a lazy Sunday brunch. The iconic market every Saturday morning. The Farriers is on the roundabout at the north end of Masterton, opposite the fire station.
E10 Martinborough, we're Martinborough's newest eatery, taking pub food to a new level. Don't just take our word for it, come in and experience Martinborough's gastro pub for yourselves. We're proud of our food and our chef Ten has created a menu for you that won't disappoint. Open 7 days a week.
There really are a lot of musicians here in the Wairarapa. It's amazing. What about you, Crispy? Where are you from?
Masterton.
Fantastic. Love it.
Born and raised.
Do you guys know that this is actually going out to Northland as well? Northland is watching. Hi, sunny Northland. We're so impressed that you decided to tune in with us and enjoy the... Don't worry about that.
No, we're good. No, we're not good. We're good. Up higher. Hello. Graphia was fantastic. Dr. Rob and the guys always put on an amazing show, and it was nice to see Jordan in action when he's not standing behind me. Wow, that didn't sound great. And
yeah, you can't beat that. Is this something you're not telling us?
Anyway, we'd like to say thanks to Toby and all the supporting crew here, Matt, sound guys.
So true.
Everyone for putting on this gig, because it is so awesome to get together in our local area, Copthorne Hotel.
Hang on. Quickly before we wrap, what about King Street Live?
Well, R.I.P.
King Street Live was a live music venue that we had.
It was tremendous.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen out there, support local New Zealand music. I cannot instill this in you enough. I'm not even close to kidding. We had a beautiful thing here in the Wairarapa, and it was cruelly stripped from us. And
one night a month. If every household chose one night a month, went out to a local gig, boom.
We'd still be there playing now, but sadly, people got greedy, people got silly, and people got selfish, and that's just sort of how music dies. You know, so you need to get out, see live local music. I swear to you, you will not regret it. You know, Metallica was a local band once, Led Zeppelin was a local band once. You know, they had to go somewhere. Just please, for the love of God, go out and watch a band for once.
For the love of God.
Well, the Geo single D, whatever
And
form
still,
they take.
A child.
Yes.
Yeah. So meanwhile, there you are sitting in front of the television, watching television. This is Coral Griffiths from Wairarapa TV's May Music Marathon. Hope you enjoy the rest of the evening.
Bye.